Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging On. Today, let's make some forged leaf earrings. I'm making this out of 5/16 inch stock, which I'll try to put the millimeter reading on it. You get it hot, and what I'm going to do is I'll put a blunt point on the end of it. And I want too sharp of a point. You can put a sharper point if you want a longer leaf, but I don't want to make the earring too long. So that's about all I need to do there. Hopefully that's focusing. And I'll come back maybe an inch from the end, hit it half on and half off. That sets a shoulder as go 90 degrees back and forth. Open up, but you see it's all kind of toward one side, and then that's kind of raised up there. So I'm going to lay it on the anvil just like that with a raised section up to flatten it down. So when I set this down, it'll start taking the heat out of it from the anvil. But when I'm set down, I'm going to hit it a couple times flat, and then I'm going to turn it over and use the peen to spread the leaf this way and this way. You can also pull back with either the corner of this, like this, and go this way. I'm using the bottom edge there, or the front edge going this way. I forged this kind of a dull punch to make veins with. So, run one down the middle. Veins in it. Now, so I've got an old 2x4 that I put a couple screws in so that it just sits inside there. Not real tight or anything, but helps hold it in place a little bit. And I find a ball peen hammer with the kind of a shape I want. I turn this down with the veins down, and I curve it. Kind of put the point back straight again. And that way it kind of puts a shape to it. Now I'm going to cut it off and hammer down a little bit, then we'll take it over and grind it down. That's go really thin to go on those, earrings. Use that to cut off this stem back a little ways. And always take your hot cut out of your hardy hole so you don't come down with the hammer later and take a finger off. Okay, so hold it off. Now let's go grind this down. This is a 36 grit belt to start things off. Hang it in there. A high-tech paint booth. And when it dries, we'll flip it over and paint the other side. Do that one more time. We'll have a pair of earrings. So that's how you make the forged leaf earrings. I've got them painted in a clear coat, and then they're slicked off so that they won't, with the wire wheel, so that they don't grab somebody's clothes or hair or something like that. And I appreciate you watching, and stick around. I have a finished package picture at the end of this. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. And y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye now.